Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton this morning issued legal guidance declaring many diversity, equity, and inclusion programs in public and private spaces unconstitutional. For several years, Republican state lawmakers have pushed to phase out diversity programs in state government. But NBC5's Phil Prazen reports going into private companies is a new change.
Monday, people attending the Martin Luther King Jr. parade celebrated gains made after the civil rights movement, like affirmative action and diversity recruitment efforts.
You have people who don't really know the whole background story to that. So why take it away? Like, that's something we need.
Also Monday morning, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton laid out a 74-page memo arguing those very programs were unconstitutional, race-based discrimination. It supported Governor Greg Abbott's earlier efforts to stop boosting contracts for Black, Hispanic, and minority-owned businesses through the historically underutilized business program.
There is a prohibition in the Constitution to discriminate on the basis of race or sex. And that doesn't mean that if you're Black or Hispanic or a woman or a man or white or whatever, you're going to be denied access.
But Paxton also went further, saying race-based hiring, promotion, mentoring, and training programs in private businesses may also violate state and federal law. He wrote, "The race and sex-based public sector preferences discussed in this opinion cannot survive strict scrutiny and are therefore unconstitutional. Furthermore, a large body of DEI practices in the private sector triggers liability."
We've never lived in a colorblind society, and you can't ignore color.
Monday afternoon, Dallas State Representative Venton Jones told us he sees this as a signal that Attorney General Paxton may soon launch lawsuits against private companies.
And this isn't the first signal. This is a string of examples since I have been elected that there's a ramping up of policies that are becoming more and more discriminatory against these very populations.
We will find out the impacts of this on business in the months ahead. Phil Prazen, NBC5.